the way down there.
No. This is where I died last time, or at least where I fell last time. No! No! Oh, now I have to record all by myself. No friends. All lonely down here. It's lonely down here. Hey, Rain, can you make him fall, Rain? It's lonely down here. Where are the clouds? Where do you possibly see clouds? Is my question. The music is so loud. Is there a mute button for the music? I cannot hear anything. Crap, this is so loud. Sorry for the noises. I get like that whenever I get frustrated. Shut up, music, shut up. The music is making me fall.
Yes.
Did you beat it? Wait, no way you beat it, bro. I've been playing this game for almost, bro, I'm playing this game for 5 months, and I haven't even beat this. And no way you just got this game today and you're already about to beat this. No! Well, I'm out of the map. I escaped the map somehow. Bro, no way he's all the way up there. Oh, bro. This is so rigged. This game just hates me, bro. I've been trying for 5 months now. And I can't get this stupid little badge up here that says only up, bro, or something like that. I don't even know anymore. Are you serious? Okay, only up just hates me because whenever I try to get into any only up thing, I fall on everything. Every little part, I fall. Trying to keep my anger in. Hello. Yeah, I'm gonna stop recording.